What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're out here in Orlando with St. Thomas again. You know what I mean? You know, we always come out of them acres here, you know, because we know you guys like to see what's going on in this side, right? So, you know, this is the Emancipation Weekend, right? So them time here we have a whole heap of activities are going on, you know what I mean? Patroen cook right now. So we have prepared some soup right there, so you know, we have some pimento we are reap up there, so same way wanna see that as well, right? This time of the year, a time when the pimento get fit and ready for harvest. So I'm showing you what I'm going with that, right? We're not gonna see all of them things there, right? So just stay tuned and we just bring it everything to you guys, yeah man.
Some chicken foot I wash going at the pot, you see me?
Yeah man.
So get this ready with the peas on the fire.
Yeah man.
Right now, so I'm going at the pot right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so chicken foot boss.
Yep. Some chicken foot.
Red peas.
Some red peas.
You see me?
Yes man.
Look a boil.
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Nice, you know?
I'm making it simmer down.
Yes. So you have in your lime and thing.
Yeah, lime for wash off,
yes.
you know? Kill the rawness, you see me?
Man, yeah man.
Yeah. Wash him with lime and salt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, so the chicken foot can boil long now with the peas. Make this can boil before nothing else going on, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
And see the cassava, yeah. Never going on.
Good old cassava.
Good old.
Yeah, cassava.
Cassava.
Big cassava sugar in the pot.
Yes.
Proper cassava, man. With some cassava dumpling and pumpkin.
Good straight
Yeah.
food, you know?
Yeah, healthy food you have to eat in the
pumpkin.
country, cause in the hills.
That's the pumpkin, yeah.
Pumpkin pretty, man.
The pumpkin, the seed there.
Pretty man.
See pumpkin.
Look like me.
Who for you that come from?
Yeah.
Now this comes from the farm.
This comes from the farm, same place in the land where this comes
Okay.
from.
Same place, but you know, for Subana. Yeah. Cook some real soup today.
See.
Some real red peas and carrot, yam. Yam. Yeah, man, scallion, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, blood. All the food for going in the pot. Or flour, you know. Cook some red peas and chicken foot. Real soup, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, real thing we are dealing with today.
What that one your name?
Minty.
Minty. Cocoa. Yeah. Reach up your pot, eh? Yeah man, good look man. Good look, you know? By the way my peeps, I do some more wood cutting in the distance there, you know. So that saw sound down here, that actually wood up there cut, you know. Yeah man, the whole heap of things are going on as we speak. So right now, at the yam, I get cut up here now, you know. Yeah man. Oh, so you just cut them a small for give, just to give soup body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause to be I know food soup, you know?
Yes, yes. Yeah, man. You reach up your soup, so you not put in no flour and them things in your soup. Yeah.
Cause some people call it dead for hungry.
Dead for hungry, why it take long? So you take long.
Black banana.
Black banana. Yeah.
Some people call that, some people call it. Black banana.
Black banana. It big though, man. The finger them, can watch ya.
What?
See there? Them big, man. Yeah. So this is take 1 year for beer.
1 year.
And 1 year for food. Yeah. Alright, so basically this now is a pimento, right? So the pimento branches were already picked from the tree and left to dry. So after a few days, we're ready to can pick off the berries off of the branches, and this is what we're doing now. Picking the pimento berries off. And we can get a lot, right? Yeah. See there? One bag of pimento. All of this pimento can pick off, as I say, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to carry on this for now, you see it? Yeah. Come on. Of course, the wood there. Come on, one bar cut up and thing. Come on. And one more cedar. Yes. Now we have different cut, you know, 2 inch, 1 inch, whatever. So like these are some 4x4 posts to make like bed foot. Yeah man, see them there? To make like bed foot, see it? Yeah, man. Couple more around here so again. Yeah man, so we have plenty of goodies, you know? Yeah man. Of course, both them here. And I wanna take them to them up. Slaughter, you know, tomorrow. And stay tuned, you know, guys. You see it? Watch it. Yeah. Yeah, true. Pretty, you know? You know, pimento and thing. Right down. So you put coconut milk in it too?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I put a full of soup in, man.
Yeah.
Full of soup.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so man drink them rum, you know. Wow, mine with coconut water, you see it, so natty climb, get it, you see me? Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. With some nice coconut up there. Nice coconut up there. You can't carry down all of them here. They're hard. Yeah, let's bring on the one of them. Me bring down some. Me bring up some. Yeah. Woo! That's tough.
Tough coconut, you know.
Yeah. Water must be nice still.
Water, you know, but tough coconut.
Yeah.
Next to dry.
Yeah. Yeah.
They look hard though.
Yeah, them tough, man. Them tough.
No younger bun on the bucket.
Them tough. Them they're good still. I bust them from me can get water it up, me alright. From water in them are good. Bust it, you see me?
But the meat can't eat all them tough.
Yeah, yeah. See it there? Yeah, man.
So just take me at empty, you know. I want to get the girl up.
Get out all the flavor, then put in some more water with
Coconut milk
and coconut milk and everything there, you know? Get it right. So them coconuts are there from tree long time, so them well dry.
Yeah, man, when they have fun already.
I bust the one them a few shots around me there. Take a shot around with that.
Yeah, man, I think one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get some more like now service. Find some more like
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, that can great, man.
Yeah, you know? Throw a rump on this. See me? Yeah, man. Coconut water rum in a nice like this, you know. See it? Coconut are nice, you know.
Yeah, coconut nice with sugar, you know.
You never want sugar, you know. Nice, you know. I just, you know.
Jamaica contractor, they don't have no equipment.
Yeah, but
And them are run down contract. How?
yeah, we can do everything. Everything there.
How?
You shine a whole heap of something around.
We have some coconut here already blend up and thing.
No more of the thing than that.
You know? Oh. So I'll strain out this with the right pan the soap. Yeah, see it there? Coconut juice on top of the thing, yeah? Well nice, you know? Yeah, man. So you know what I squeeze it off?
Yeah, man, I squeeze it, man. I squeeze it, man. But two things.
Yeah. Let's strain it off one more time again. Make sure to get everything outside. Make it nice. Yes, man. Yes, man. I mean, look at that. Make sure say all I get out, you know?
I mean, I'm going to do one more time.
So instead of you have full up the pot of water. Yeah. Yeah, man. Lift you up, lift you up. Yeah. Good look, you know?
So boy, and get some melon in it, you know?
Yeah. Alright, so we are going now, Colin.
You know, so chewing, the kind of I get white, you put the coconut milk in it and I make it get some more color, you know?
More color, yeah?
More pumpkin color. Yeah. More pumpkin color, you know?
Yeah. We have chicks in trade, you know?
Yeah.
You're putting this now to get back the
yellow.
The yellow color there, yeah.
Tune no wicked on them tune, man. I tell him. Not tune no wicked on them tune.
And the interpol, the devil to stand, but she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. And I am young, yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun, run me down. Should live whoa. You are old, and I am young, yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun, run me down.
Season me, I don't know, I put in the pimento seed as a skeleton time already. I put the pimento seed now. And I pour up and throw in it, you see me I say? It's a rat in the rum man, it's a rat in the rum man them, you see me I say? But you never a big bag enough. What that story and where you are going with that? Oh yeah. Yeah, play more skippy, you know, but when we are baby like that one still. So come back here again. Wicked.
Alright guys, so this is the cassava tuma here is peeling. Right, grows under the ground. Alright. So you see how easy it is to peel, very very easy. As him says, it's the easiest food kind for peel, you know. When him peel it, him carry it straight to the table where the grater is. So him just grate it down, right? Grater it down. When him done now, him get a paste. Him just squeeze that out, get out all the water. So you basically have your cassava flour.
Alright, watch it now. I go to the cassava and I go get out some of this, I ring it and get out some of the water out there because too much starch. You see me, so I get out my water because too much starch, no good.
Right.
You see me, so I grate it and squeeze it. We need the flour.
Squeeze out the water.
Yeah,
the starchy water.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you make your flour.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, also what I want.
Alright.
That's what. Wow, you back to come there.
Yeah, go look at gold.
I look a goat. Get you know what I say?
No, I got it.
You look there? Yeah, man. Up there, sir. Up there, sir. Up there, sir. Respond to up there, sir. Isn't it?
You don't know nobody up there. You don't know how you tell them you don't know nobody. Alright, so these are the great and fresh cassava.
Yeah, so I'll get out some of the juice out, right?
So you just strain it.
Yeah. I ring it if you really ring, so I have something to ring it out.
Bring it to like fabric, like cloth.
Squeeze, yeah, if you squeeze it out. So I use this. And you also see the water is starch will come out. This is the starch.
Okay.
See that?
Okay. Okay.
Too much I can't eat.
Yeah.
You see me, got too much starch.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And I'm with some of that.
Yeah, I need flour with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now what flour I put in it still, you know, a rum soup, we have put it on a food soup, you know what I mean? Some spinach, you see this one spinach.
So the cassava we have is not enough, so you just add flour to it.
Yeah, yeah. You man, you want the cassava dumpling, I think.
Yeah.
You look at spinach, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look at spinach, you see it? It wet already, so when I put my water in it, you know?
Say that again.
It a water in it, so when I put my water in it, we mix the flour.
Yes.
So it wet already, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's some spinach me I make, you know?
Yep. Yeah, man. So cassava dumpling live, you know?
Yeah, man, real thing.
Yeah, but as him say, just make it up with some regular counter flour.
Yeah, because it's also cassava can't work. Unless you make bami. And if you make bami, you put little flour in it to see.
Even when you make bami, you still put some flour in it?
Yeah, man, we get it together.
Okay, right. Yes.
You know?
The gluten in it.
Yeah, we get it glammy. You know? Yeah. See, if the cassava, I have to use more water.
If you have more cassava?
If the cassava never in it, I have to use more water.
Okay. Yes.
Cassava done it already. You see, this is how quick it come to?
Yes. I true, you know.
So
you're right about that. Little tip of water and it's ready.
Yes.
It's ready.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are doing, you know?
Yep.
Anybody want cassava, I eat it like dumpling.
Yes, I. Alright, so we are now at the final leg in the soup here, you know. So I just will put in them spinach here, cassava dumpling. You get me, I say, in the soup. So the soup look nice and rich and pretty from the angle here. You know, it'll bubble up nice. You know, can't wait. You know. So Colin has put in him spinach. Make sure say everything set, everything right. You know. And then we just dig in at the soup, yeah. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so as we tell you, we're up on the final lap of this for making the soup perfect. So him taste up in pot, make sure say everything right, all them flavor them correct. So right now you know what I'm draw for? Some pepper elder. This spice is very good for soup and rice and them other kind of stuff. All that meat to chicken and them thing there. Very good. So what him do, him call it him swinching it. So him put it in the fire for kind of dry it out a little bit. Get out some of the moisture outside because it's really good when it dry. So him not a dry one, so him get the fresh one, dry it in the fire, and then him just crush it and put it in the soup. Make it have that nice flavor there. The flavor of the pepper elder just come out perfect. Yeah, man. So we do it in a St. Thomas. You know? Yeah, man. Authentic Jamaican style. Can't lose. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that.
Papa Brown are the president.
Yo, when I blow at the John. Yo, when I blow at
Alright, so I'm finally get my cup here now. Cassava dumpling, chicken foot, peas soup. Right pan countryside of St. Thomas, you know? Yeah man, so this thing here flavorful. You know, I have to big up the chef. You get me, I say, big up yourself, Colin. Yeah man, it's proper. All the flavor them coming through. Perfect. It's just right. You see me, I said, well hot. It kind of come right off of the fire. Yeah man, so we're enjoying it man, trust me. Guys, the soup's so nice. I'm have to go back for your round two, me I tell you star. Trust me. You know? We wish you could have really taste what me I taste. The coconut milk. You understand me? I said the cassava flour there night, the pumpkin, the chicken foot, everything just come through nice. Yeah man, so guys, if you wanna enjoy this video, just ask you to give you a thumbs up. Alright? Hit the post notification bell. Alright? And see you again next time for another video. Peace out guys. We out.